Start by configuring eBGP between routers 1 and router 3. As you can see, they're not directly connected. This is an indirect peering. View the BGP summary. The session is idle and this is to be expected. When BGP was first created, the intent was for peers to be directly connected. To ensure this and prevent hijacking of BGP sessions, BGP packets are sent with a time to live of 1. Recall that when a packet is being forwarded, the time to live is decremented by 1. If more than one hop exists between external peers, the packet will not be forwarded past the first hop because the time to live will expire. Start a packet capture between router 1 and router 2. Then configure eBGP between router 1 and router 2. Check the capture and locate the TCP handshake. Here, the TTL is the value of 1. I would have captured the handshake between router 1 and router 3, but they are aware that they aren't directly connected and don't even attempt to establish the TCP session. Issue the command show IPBGP neighbor for router 1 on router 3. Here, it says the neighbor is not directly connected. If it were, router 3 would be checking that it was a single hop by setting the time to live to 1. To fix this, we use the eBGP multi-hop command. We set the value to 2. This will allow router 1 and router 3 to be more than one hop away from each other. Before making the change, start a packet capture between router 2 and router 3. Now make the change. Check the capture for the TCP handshake. See, the TTL value is now 2. The packet will now reach router 3 before expiring. View the summary. The session is now established.